All right, we're here in Abbeville. We're gonna go to this delicious local restaurant. They serve breakfast and it's really good. Because we have a trailer, we had to park over here in the parking lot of Shucks. We ate there the other night, it was pretty good. Now we're going to walk down the road to the diner because it does not have a big enough parking lot for our truck. Thank you. Okay, here goes. This is a traditional Southern biscuit. They also grilled it. And I'm trying it. Here we go. Now that's good Southern cooking. It's a lot better than those ones that come in tubes and then you make them and they're hard as a rock and you could like go out and rob a bank with them. These are actually soft and fluffy and the gravy is perfect. And that's how you know it's good, when the plate is clean. That was pretty good. My belly's full. We're gonna go and tour the Tabasco plant, see the ocean, and we're gonna head up to Alexandria and do some more work. We hope you guys have enjoyed this little video, and we'll see you in the next one.